Monty Williams has signed a 5-year deal with the Phoenix Suns. I'm surprised. They said they will give him an offer if he wants the job. They said he wanted the job. I don't know if he's more of a fit with Devin Booker, but he's probably more of a fit with J.M. Morant. So I guess there's a high possibility they're going to draft Morant in the NBA draft. Then again, we don't know where the ping pong balls are going. That's probably why they try to get Monty Williams as quickly as possible. He's the guy responsible for the emergence of Chris Paul, possibly Russell Westbrook too, as the OKC Thunder assistant coach. What are your thoughts? Like, comment, subscribe. Igor, what's his name, was the former Phoenix Suns coach, only lasted a year.